Welcome back to Top Repairs. If you notice power steering fluid is coming out of the rack and pinion or steering rack area, I'm going to tell you guys exactly where to look. First, look at the bellow or dust boot area. This is going to be the most common area where the rack and pinion is going to leak at. So there's going to be a seal right at the inner tie rod area, and when the seals start to go bad, it's going to allow power steering fluid to start to leak out of that area. If you're losing power steering fluid and you have no idea where that power steering fluid is going, most likely it is going to end up in the bellow or dust boot area. And sometimes the power steering fluid will not leak out of this area until it gets extremely full. So one thing I suggest doing is moving the clamp on this part over here, and next you want to push in the dust boots or bellow. If there's a lot of power steering fluid in there, a lot of fluid is going to leak out of that area. The next most common area where power steering fluid is going to leak out of the steering rack or rack and pinion area, it is going to be the power steering hoses. So it can leak at a few areas. It can leak right over here when the copper seals start to go bad, or the lines can become damaged or become kinked. It can leak that way. It is also going to leak right at the crimp area right over here, and also it can leak right here as well. Also, power steering fluid can leak out of this area as well. So again, when the lines start to become kink or become damaged, or there's an object on the road and it hits the rack and pinion or steering rack, it could cause damage to these hoses. And of course, when you replace these hoses, make sure to use a flare wrench, or you're going to have to use a very good wrench. Otherwise, you're going to strip these parts. Next, power steering fluid can leak right at this area. So this part here, it is going to be the pinion, and this part here, it is going to be the rack. And this part here, it is going to be the dust boot. If you see power steering fluid leaking out of the dust boots area, that's how you know the seal is going to be bad on this side. So you're going to have to remove the steering shaft and the U-joint part to get to the seal area. And of course, in most cases, you're going to have to remove the rack and pinion. And lastly, if a rock or stone hit the body of the rack and pinion or the metal housing, it can cause it to crack. Of course, this is not really a common issue because rack and pinion do get hit by road object all the time, and the metal body is actually very, very solid. But of course, nothing is perfect, and a rock or stone could cause it to crack if it hits it hard enough. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.